With the wet sandblasting actually works quite well. So everything that is white here. So we removed about 4 square meters of paint, maybe more. But it's a huge mess. We used about 50 kilos of sand for this. So in the last video we did, I think, 1 square meter with about 12 kilos of sand, and now we used 50 kilos of sand and went up to 4 or 5 square meters. So everything here, it's fairly fast. It took us about 4 hours. You can recycle the sand. So Kira was sucking up the sand from the floor. We had planted in the floor really well, so all the sand that dropped on the floor, Kira was vacuuming it up with the vacuum nozzle of the Kärcher wet sandblasting tool, and I was wet sandblasting this, and we were both soaking wet to the bone, sand everywhere. We were wearing goggles and mask. Still, it's a huge mess because sand and basically liquid antifouling is everywhere. So this was vetoed to be continued like that. Also, I mean, 50 kilos of sand for this, and we have, if this is 5 square meters, the whole boat has 50. So we would need 500 kilos of sand, which just is too expensive for us to buy. So we can't recycle it forever because the sand loses its edges. And also the sand gets lost because it sprays everywhere, so your amount of sand decreases, and we just can't afford this much sand. And Kira is vetoing getting wet for this long and basically bathing in cold, wet, anti-fouling sand sludge, which I understand, it wasn't comfortable. So now we're trying that.